Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out another Tarte product from my Tarte Takeover Boxycharm Premium Box for the month. And today I'm trying out the Tarte Breezy Cream Blush. I got this in the shade Pink Sky. And by the way, if you haven't seen my unboxing video of that yet, that Boxycharm Premium Box unboxing is up here on my YouTube channel. But I was excited to get this blush because I've heard good things about it and it sounds awesome. It's waterproof, it has nourishing ingredients in it, hyaluronic acid, algae, mineral pigments, it's cruelty-free and vegan, and it retails for $24. And I love cream blushes, but you might be able to tell that I only put foundation on one of my cheeks because the struggle that I have with cream blushes is sometimes they lift or alter my makeup underneath. So I wanted to test this out with foundation and without foundation to see how it looks on my skin and my makeup. But this sounds really great for the skin because it's supposed to minimize the look of pores and fine lines, and I really do struggle with pores right where I apply blush. And it's nice packaging. Let's see. Yes, there is a mirror, which is convenient. And let's start out with a swatch. Very nice texture. Oh gosh, it looks pigmented. Yes. Pigmented but blendable. And hopefully this will be a good shade on me because I don't like it to look too similar to the natural redness in my cheek, but I'm thinking it might look a little bit more bronzy, a little bit more red than that. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying it to the side of my face without the foundation. And let's see how it looks. I still, even with the redness in my cheeks, I love to wear a cream blush on top of that to help even out the redness and just make it look more like a blush instead of like rosacea redness. And this has a surprisingly matte finish to it. And it's blendable, but it's a little bit difficult to blend just because it's drying down very fast. For a cream blush, I feel like it has dried down to a matte, almost like as if I had used a powder blush finish. And the shade is okay, but not my favorite. The coverage I was able to get on the redness on my cheeks doesn't look great, so I'm going to try and just build it up a little bit more here. But I think the shade is a little too red for my preference. Even though it is slightly a different tone than the redness that I have in my cheeks naturally, it still is kind of just looking like redness in my cheeks. I'm going to just take my dampened beauty sponge and try and just like smooth it over a little bit. Just not loving how that looks on me. Maybe keeping my sponge in my hand, I'm going to pick up some on the sponge, and now let's see how it goes on top of the foundation. I don't necessarily feel like you need to use a light hand, like it's pigmented, but it does blend out and sheer out pretty easily. It's just I'm not loving this color on me. I am glad to see that it is not moving my foundation at all, which is nice. It's not lifting the foundation at all. I mean, it definitely looks better on top of the foundation than just on my natural redness here. And I feel like on this side, it's still a little bit more red than what I like, but it looks more flattering. It looks smoother. It really does not leave behind any visible blush texture. It just looks exactly like skin, and I'm so happy it did not alter the makeup at all. So I guess I like this blush on top of foundation, but I don't like it on my skin alone. So I'm really glad that I tested it out this way. And it's funny because I have some other cream blushes that I love to wear alone, but then I don't wear them on top of makeup because they do lift the makeup underneath, and those cream blushes have more of that dewy, shiny finish. This one has such a matte finish, which I feel like is so unique for a cream blush, but it really does work perfectly on top of foundation. So I am going to keep this in my collection for a beautiful cream blush when I'm wearing foundation. And then I have my other cream blushes for when I'm not wearing foundation. It just goes to show that products can really perform so differently depending on your skin, your makeup underneath. I would love to hear in the comments down below if you've had any success with this blush. What methods have you found for applying it? Do you like to wear it on top of makeup? Do you just wear it no makeup? Maybe it works better when you don't have such redness in your cheeks. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.